Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Today I have some more happy mail. So if you're interested in seeing what I got this week, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. Well, today I have Happy Mail. It's Sunday, right? So I unbox my Happy Mail. Unfortunately, I haven't gotten any of my BoxyCharm or my last IPSY, and I definitely haven't received my AIA, which is the American Influencer Bundle. I haven't received that, and I know many people have, and also Fashionista, the box. And when I actually go and look at these sites, and I look at tracking, it's stuck in one place. Especially the AIA's been stuck for 2 weeks, and the Fashionista has been stuck for over 2 weeks. And the funny thing is, those two companies, they can't say it's the weather. Okay, they can't really say it's COVID anymore. Why can't they say it's the weather? Because it's listed, it's like maybe 3 hours driving distance from me. So it's like right there, and it's stuck right there. And so, you know, I'm thinking about calling the companies. I really don't like to bug them, but I think I'm going to have to if I don't see any movement next week. So yeah. Anyway, the first thing I want to open is Scentbox. Yeah, and this is also a California company. And as you guys know, this is a fragrance subscription, and I get it monthly. And it is $14.95 per fragrance. And the good thing about this company is that if you don't like your fragrance, you can return one of them. And so where the other subscriptions that I have cannot, you're kind of stuck with it. So yeah, it is what it is. Okay, I had to silence my phone. I kept hearing the bing, bing, and I don't want, it to annoy you. So anyway, it comes in a bubble wrap envelope like this. It's really cute. Then you just open it up, and it gives you your invoice. And at the same time, they make it so easy for you to return it. This is also the return label, so if you don't like one of the scents. And so they come in a box like this. If you get two, and I do get two, they're $14.95 each. And they do come in its own container, unlike Scentbird, which you don't get these containers each time. So here it is. Whoops. And I got two, and that's my subscription. And let's see which scent these are. And unfortunately, unlike Scentbird, it doesn't come with a card that explains, the scents. So the first one I received is the Dahlia Divin. And this is new to me, so I have no idea how, it was rated nicely, but out of, I think, 1,000 raters, it was 4 stars out of 5. And the other one is called Le Nude Trevor, and that's by Atelier, and then I'm also not familiar with them. These are both brand new scents for me. So, and it comes like this, as you can see. And you just stick this back in here and just kind of push, and it goes up and down like this, like a lipstick. And the scents, actually, the names of them come on the bottom here, unlike the Scentbird that comes on the actual bottle, because they don't send you one of these with each one of them, which I don't like. And so, okay, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and spray this inside the bag. Oh, you know what? I better not, in case I need to return it. So I'm going to go ahead and spray it on this tissue, which has no fragrance, which is good. Okay. And this is the Atelier. Well, this is very light. I get a scent of coconut right away, which I really like. And a little bit of freesia, the flower. But it's very buttery. It's buttery, bordering on powdery, but it's very nice, actually. This is not a very strong scent. I would have to actually put it on, probably 4 or 5 spritz for it to really stay. So this one is the Le Nude Trevor. So, yeah. So, not bad. Not bad. So let me just go ahead and show you the name of it in case you're interested in it. And you can pause the video and write it down. That's that one. And that one was actually not very bad at all. Now let me get another tissue. And the other one here, which is, I love the way how bright these the containers are, you know. So I love the colors. Even, you know, yellow and gold is not my thing, but I like the variety. So this one is by Dahlia Devon, and it's called Le Nectar de Perfume, the nectar of perfume. Okay, so again, I went based on, because you take a like a little quiz, just like everything else, and then, you know, you describe what type of scent you like. Do you like floral? Do you like woody? Do you like musky? Do you like fruity? All of those things. So you develop a profile, and then they make recommendations, and based on the recommendations, there are like a tons of reviews. And so yeah, and let's see. Oh, this is very nice. Again, light. Yes, this is very nice. It has like a hint of citrus in it. It's so hard to describe fragrance on the, you know, on video, but it's very, very nice. Put it that way. It's a nice perfume. This one here is one that I would consider buying full bottle, depending on, you know, how it wears. So here it is. So okay, and that's that. Let's move on, because I do have a lot of packages to open. And the next one is my Prime. What is that? Amazon. Yeah, Prime. I said, wait a minute, that's not the name. So, yep, Amazon. And I think I know what it is. I was watching Casey's video the other day. That's Casey. Casey, I'm sorry, I gotta remember the name of your site is so long. It's like, oh, I'm gonna have to put it on screen for you guys, okay? Anyway, so I watch her video. She's a really quirky lady, but she's so cute. And she has an esthetician background, and so she does a lot of masks and stuff. And I saw her wearing this thing. It's called, you know, it's those silicone masks, and it's one where you put your mask on, and then you put this over it, so that way, you know, your mask doesn't fall off. And you know how when I'm talking on video, I mean, I can't put the mask on because I'm afraid it's going to continuously slide. And I don't want you guys to watch me just the whole time. So I saw her with it, and I asked her, so where did you get that? She said Amazon. So I'm going to try this one and see if it works. They're very inexpensive. I think this was pack of 2 was for like $11 or something like that. So we'll see if it works. Yeah, I'm going to have to probably try different styles. So, and number 3, this is Nordstrom's, and of course, what would a week be without an order from Nordstrom's? I think I have a couple of them from Nordstrom's, and this is something I've been waiting for a while. This came from, you know, because they go to the orders go to different stores, and they send it from different store, and this store was like really odd sounding store. I'm like, where is that? So this one here came from Camonga Park. Oh, no, this is not the one. This is the one from California. It's the other one that's weird. Okay, and this is something that I've been waiting for. And I think you probably could guess this about me, but I love supporting things with a good cause. Conservation, environment, you know, people's rights, human rights, anything like that. And so I try to buy from companies that really support them. And so I love this company. It's called Chanticleer. I think you know that company. And I ordered this palette. And this is about butterflies, and the proceeds go towards, part of the proceeds go towards supporting the monarch butterflies. I don't know if you guys know this, but monarch butterflies has been put on the endangered list because of deforestation and all of the things that is actually happening in the world. They're losing their homes, so they're at a number that's really critically low. And so Chanticleer is one of the companies that are helping with conservation, and it's nice because inside of the the box comes information about that, and so it's really nice, and you can always go to their site and kind of read about it. And I thought, I mean, without butterflies, we're not gonna have wildflowers. Right? It's all like a cycle of life. I mean, who's going to pollinate the flowers? I mean, if not the butterflies and the bees and stuff. So, you know, so I just said, I'm going to go ahead and get that. And I did actually a while back gotten their blush, and I don't want to, it's very cute. It's like, I don't want to use it because it's so pretty and it's there. And I didn't show you guys because, I mean, it's not something I'm going to use probably, maybe not, but I wanted to, you know, hold on to it. And so, anyway, but I wanted to show you this because it came in my Happy Mail, and it's very nice aesthetics, definitely. And this is an eyeshadow palette, and let's see, butterfly, yeah, and there it is. And these are, I mean, the camera doesn't do justice to it. I mean, these are beautiful shades. I'm not going to swatch them right now, but I will if I decide to use them. The reason why I really buy these is to support the cause, and pretty much, and put a cause on it, and I'm going to buy it, especially if it has to do with animals and the environment. Yeah. So, okay, that's that. And moving on. Okay, next is Macy's. And again, what would a week be without a shipment from Macy's? The problem is Macy's keep having sales, and they keep sending me credit cards because I have an American Express with them. And they, I mean, some of those are really good deals. And I think you guys know that, you know, at least if you've been watching me for any time, I don't buy things on full price. And so even when I'm paying for things in a cause, I mean, I spent my Nordstrom's notes on that, right? And so, yeah, I just wait for a right thing to come by for me to spend those notes and the rewards and things like that. And so, yeah, and again, this was on a huge sale from Nordstrom's. And this is something that I've been eyeballing for a long, long time. Matter of fact, I saw it at Sephora, I saw it at Ulta. And so this has been around a while. And so when you see it, you'll know it. And I finally said to myself, you know, I really do want it. It's on sale at Macy's. So I'm going to go ahead and get it. And plus they had a free gift with it. So I'm like, why not? And I probably need this, like I need another hole in my head. But it is an eyeshadow palette. And this is one that I've been looking for a long, long time. And this is actually down, you know, my cup of tea. It's called Too Faced Born This Way, the Natural Nudes. And I swear that I'm gonna stop buying things from Too Faced, but you know, these come with such high ratings, and I hear such great things, and these colors are just everyday colors. And yeah, so and let me show you. Here it is. Here it comes with a nice mirror. And here are the colors. And these are nudes that you can pick up anytime. This is something that definitely, I mean, if I only had one palette and I needed it for work, these are the types of palettes that I would go for. And so I did go ahead and pick that up. Okay. And like I said, I've been eyeballing this for, I mean, if not for months, maybe since it came out, you know, it's been over a year now, right? So yeah, and I've been wanting it, but I couldn't justify spending money on it, you know, at full price. And so I said, well, I'll wait because I have other colors that in different palettes, right? And so also they were giving away the 24-hour matte Born This Way. I have one, but it's concealer. That's it. God, I'm losing word. I haven't had coffee yet, guys. It's very, very early Saturday morning, and I'm getting ready to venture out, but I haven't even had coffee, but I said I need to get this done. And so here it is. This is so very cute. I'm probably going to put this in a giveaway because even though this would be perfect actually to take on a trip, but I have so many of concealers. I don't need another one. So I'll go ahead and give it, you know, put it in future giveaways. Okay, next. Okay, this is one that I've been waiting for a while now, and it kept selling out, kept selling out, kept selling out. And I mean, people are like trying to get this. And I guess these came out over a year ago, but I mean, it's been out of stock, and you know, people are trying to get it all the time, and it's just very, very hard to get. And I just so happened to be on a site just to check and see what's going on because I've never bought from this site before. And I saw it and I jumped on it. And then, of course, again, it sold out within, I mean, I'm not even going to say within hours. I'm going to say within that hour. And then because I saw, you know, again, sorry, it ran out. You know, if it goes on social media, you'll know why and who. So this is a palette that is a collab with Mel Thompson. I don't know if you know who she is, but I mean, if you haven't watched her, you should. She's a makeup artist, and but she's very down to earth and very kind woman, and she does looks and things like that. And that's the Tiny Marvels. And I mean, this has run out so many times, and from what I understand, they press these by hand on site in California, and it's by Mel Thompson and Sydney Grace. And it's the Sydney Grace, and they're in Oroville, California. And so here it is. And I know people just, you know, pine for this stuff, and it's really hard to get. I've been trying to get it for a while, but not really trying because I said, you know what, when it's time for me to get it, I'll get it. And I've been watching people work with it for a while, and I just said I have to get it. So I'm going to go ahead. So it comes with a nice mirror. Okay, and look at these shades, and this is just so beautiful. And I think I would really like to make a look with this. And I see Mel Thompson do, I mean, so many looks with this. And so there's inspiration there if I want to take a look at that. And so, yeah, and finally, I finally did commit to it. I mean, I have 2 palettes here today that it took me a while to commit to it. Which is the Born This Way and this Tiny Marvels, okay? Because I just didn't want to get it because of the hype. I wanted to see that I'm going to, you know, I can love it, and I think I can, especially after seeing the type of looks that can come out of it. Okay, and the last box, and this was also on sale at Nordstrom's, and I've been wanting this, and I know this is going to be totally silly for some of you. It has nothing to do with makeup. But this is something that I've been wanting and I've been watching. And actually, I have a Disney credit card, and it has this picture on it, but not this one, but the older version of it. And so, and I really love this, you know, character. And so, I got a Mandalorian. And you guys know in my background, when I used to use the regular background, I have like cutesy little things like this because I do, I mean, I'm a child at heart, guys. And look at this Mandalorian. Isn't he so cute? I mean, what can I say? What can I say about this, guys? I mean, look at this. He's gorgeous. And I'm going to go ahead and put him somewhere special along with my other special little guys like this. And I cannot, I mean, I was thinking to put it down on the floor and let the cats look at it and to get their reaction. I may do that. I can't let them get near it because they would definitely play with it. But once they got used to it, but I want to see their, their response. So that's that. And so, yeah, I'm so happy that I have this. You have no idea how happy. I'm probably like a kid that finally got the toy they wanted. It's like, inside, you're not seeing it, but inside, I'm like bubbling over because I just, yeah. So anyhow, oh, I'm going to read to you what it says in the back. I didn't know I had a little story to it. The child, the Mandalorian, as one of the most feared bounty hunters in the galaxy, the Mandalorian never expected to be shielding this 50-year-old child from his rivals and enemies. Now, you can protect this lovable little creature just like the Mandalorian does. Ah, and it has like that picture of the Mandalorian child. Aww. Huh. So anyhow, yeah, okay, let me put this down so I can finish up. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, thank you so much for spending your precious moments with me. I know your time is very important, and I really appreciate you giving me moments of it throughout the day. And if you have any questions or if you have any comments, please, as always, put it below. And also, you guys know that I have a 500 subscriber giveaway. So keep in mind, I said this in another video. In case you didn't watch that video, I will be revealing the winner on Daylight Savings Day. I have to remember what that is. I almost said leap day. No, Daylight Savings Day where we spring forward, which is the 14th of March. And so I need to cut it off on the 11th, which is the Thursday. So that way I can pick a winner and get it all ready. Okay, so at least you know that. So my beautiful wildflowers, please have a good week, good weekend, good day, good night, whenever you're watching this. But remember, always remember this. Never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.